So, yan siya guys. Oh, yeah. Flowers, made of like. Hi guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel again. And for today's video, dito ako sa my Pacific Place. And I'm going to show you the botanical Lego garden here in the Pacific. So, samahan nyo po guys. Let's go. So, yan. Pasok ako dito guys. Ayan. Ay, matilim. Yan. Pacific Place. Breaks Blooms. Ito siya guys. Where Breaks Blooms. Ayun. Ayun yung look niya dito sa taas. Malit na siya. Kunti lang. Ang decoration. Kunti lang tao guys pag Sabado. So yan, let's go. Baba ako guys. Samahan niyo ko. Magtitik tayo ng video. So yun guys. O yan. Yung view. Just a rose. Ang ganda. Rose breaks. But it's time to bloom. Ikotin ko siya guys. Ang ganda. Pa kasi springtime for the flower. Ayan, dito. Keep it fresh. Ayan. May mga flowers inside. And then may mirrors. So, yung ganda guys. Ito siya. Oh, keep it fresh. Made all this one guys is made of Lego. Yeah. All these flowers is made of Lego. Tignan nyo naman guys. O Lego na kinabit. Oh yan. Made of Lego siya guys. So dito. Nice. Open the flowers. All the flowers. Only the leaves is the one that artificial. But some of the flowers and display is made of Lego. Ay, yung salamin. Cute. So, ayan. Ito maganda guys. Rose. Ito siya, oh. Rose made of Lego. Ayan. Tignan nyo. Lego siya guys, na inassemble. Oh. Pink. Violet. And even the stem is made of Lego. And even here, the flowers here guys is made of Lego. Ayan siya guys. Ayan, made of Lego. Ang ganda. The Rose Reverie Botanicals. Lego Botanicals. Ayun, yung rose. And then, meron pa dito, oh, Love, 852, Hong Kong, Fresh Bloom, salamin, and ayan, ayan, ikot ako dito guys, yung yellow, ayan, ito maganda. Tomorrow is the last day. Ayan, guys. So, ayan siya, guys. Oh, yeah. Flowers made of Lego. Lego Botanicals. Ganda ng yellow. My favorite color, even the red and the pink. Ganda. And ito guys. Ang galing nila guys. Pinuo nila. Dito sa side. And meron pa siya dito, parang tunnel na marami ding Lego na flowers and mga artificial flowers. Ayan, ito Lego siya guys. Ito yung harap niya guys. So, kano dito to sa harap guys? Pagpasok mo, ito, Lego. And, yan. So, yun guys. So, diba ang ganda? Yan. So, yan guys. Ang ganda. Ito guys. Lego. Ano siya? Rose Botanical Lego. Yung mga flowers is made of Lego. Ang ganda. Ang ganda guys. Ayan, napaka-creative nila. Punta naman ako doon sa may Tamar Park guys. Doon sa may teardrops. Teardrops na display. And today Saturday guys, it's my day off and mag-isa lang ako. Gala dito eh. So ito yun guys, is dancing fountain, water drops fountain. Ayun, ang dami nila. Iba't iba yung kulay ng nasa ilalim. Kasi gabi ito, nagre-reflect. Umiilaw siya sa gabi. So, ayan siya guys. Bawal man ata pumasok. So, dito lang ako sa may labas. Next time, babalikan ko to sa gabi. Ang ganda. Dancing water drops. Exhibition. Mainit. Mainit ngayon, guys. Ayun yung pinakamalaki sa dito. Last year dito, guys, is siya yung balls. Balls din last year yung nandito. Ganito ding months. And, ayan. Ang ganda ng weather dito. Mainit. And, ganito yung view dito sa Tamar Park kapag Saturday. Wala masyadong tao. Let's walk from that area guys. Walk ako doon. Naka-close. Oh. Ayan. Mainit. Nakapayong tayo kasi mainit. So yan guys. Nag-open na siya. So pwede na pumasok. Ano pala to guys? Parang ng yung sponsor ng Jockey Club siguro to guys kasi mga kabayo. Diba? Naka-open na siya. Nakapasok rin tayo. Open na siya. Laki nito guys. Ito yung malaki. And then, ayun. Ito yung sinasabi ko guys. Reindeer. Parang ng reindeer. Ang ganda. color. Mas maganda to sa gabi. Kaso mainit. Maganda ng color. Ikutin ko siya doon. No smoking guys. Kasi mapipitak tong mga display nila dito. Ang init lang ngayon. Ito sa gilid.
Deep in the shadows, I know it's hard to put one foot in front of the other. So far as the echo, where do we start?
Kasi position, we have another time to open again.
Here in the shadows, I know you're scared. Take my hand together, we'll make a stand. We've got to fight to find a way. Dare to fall to find out what to say. No more hate. Just admit that you're just afraid. Time to let go of all your fears and pride. Stand up beside me, don't you hide. We can build a better place. If we can just find a way, then we can live a better day. Rise from the ashes, from the anger, from the war. Let's come together.
Guys, that is the end of my video, and thank you for watching. Hope to see you again on my next vlog, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye bye. Bye guys.